Hi everyone, welcome to Caking at Midnight. Tonight, Josh is still gone. So bear with me on this time lapse. I will be making an Ironman cake. It's going to be fairly simple, but I am going to be using a JB cookie cutter cutout for the Ironman face. So I'll try and get the camera positioned right so you can see it. I don't have the overhead tonight. Sorry, I'm not the camera guy person. So that's it. And if you have any questions, comment below. If you are on Instagram, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It's caking_at_midnight. And Facebook, all of those things. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Hit the like button. Bell for notifications. Ding, ding, ding. And we'll do our best. I do still have to do cake sickles. I'm so busy. I promise we'll get those on here. So enjoy this one tonight. If you have any questions, let me know. If the video stinks and it's hard to see something and you can't see something, let me know. But this should be a fairly easy time lapse to see what's going on. But if you have questions, let me know. Okay, sorry, this thing's heavy and it's a little camera. Okay, I'll get back to what I really know how to do and not cameras, but cake. Thanks guys, happy caking. Okay, so if it was hard to see, I apologize. But with the JB cookie cutters, you need to, if I can show you, the black outline on there, you need to have, it doesn't have to be that wide by any means, but you need to have a really super thin layer on the bottom because these pieces all fit together. So it might look easy on here where you have one and then you put this one over the top of it, but you have to cut your main piece out. Then you have to cut this one out of the main piece. So we just get our red here. Sorry, so we just get our red. And then, I don't have a mic on either, so this might be hard to hear. But then use your yellow or your different color and then cut that out again. And then you place it on there. So it's definitely a puzzle. Sorry. Again, I apologize, Josh isn't here. Oh, is that better? Oh, there you can see my light. Okay, so it's definitely a puzzle that you have to put together. So if you get confused on something, just start from the bottom and work your way up, and you'll slowly have to take your pieces and put them together. So I hope that makes sense. There's a baby Mickey that I did. Also, you can kind of see the process, but it's not just as easy as bloop, bloop, put them on there and you're done. It's gotta, they all intermingle and work together. Oh, there's an iPhone across the floor. So I'm sorry, but there he is finished. Hope you can see him. So that's 4 different pieces cut out, stuck together.